welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. If you do not know me, thank you so much for being here and joining me on this clusterfuck of a video. You will soon come to find out that I am always a hot mess. Or just always a mess, pretty much. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, because I had no idea what I was gonna do, then please stay tuned. Hello! So, I just got home from work. I have about an hour and a half before I need to leave for a meeting, and I don't want to look like this. So, I figured I was doing my makeup anyway. Haven't done a video since before the honeymoon, so might as well put out some content for you guys, right? Literally no idea what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be interesting, because you're going to be figuring out what I'm doing with me. I'm going to use the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette because I haven't used it all that much and it's just so damn beautiful and I want to use it. Now I'm going to a meeting. Do I want to do a red smoky eye? Yes, but the other half of me is probably saying maybe not the best idea. I think I might just do like a really easy grunge. That's so boring. Green, blue, red, brown, all of them. Let's just pick up a blending brush and start blending. Well, I'm gonna prime our eyes first. God, what am I thinking? I've been up since 2:30, so. I'm going to prime my lids with my concealer, which I need to get a new one because honestly this one isn't really doing it for me anymore. So, but regardless, just so you know what I'm using my Revlon Color Stay Concealer in the shade 02 Light. Just gonna prime lid to brow. Damp Beauty Blender and blend that out. We're gonna do our face last because since I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know if there's gonna be much fallout and I'd rather not risk ruining my face makeup because I don't have enough time to redo it. I'm gonna put a little more on because this concealer isn't quite as full coverage as I would like it to be. And I'm just gonna set that concealer with my Fit Me Loose powder in Fair Light, also using my Beauty Blender. Okay, now we can get into discovering what the hell we're gonna do. I think I literally only have one pair of eyelashes because I don't know. Oh! Just kidding. I found the other ones. Kind of want to go bold neutral. Is that a look? I'm gonna go in with this color. It is called Vivid. I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush. It's not dense like at all, so it's not going to deposit a ton of pigment. It's really going to blend it out. This is like the perfect kind of brush you want for your highest crease colors because they will look very blended and beautiful. And this brush is a Ipsy L34 Blend Beauty brush. And I'm going to go kind of light. And put this, I'm not putting it nearly as high as I would usually put like my transition shades. And I'm gonna keep it kind of round. I just decided. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can actually see what the hell I'm doing. Pull it out a bit, just because I really love how that looks. Now we're gonna hop 2 shades over and use the shade Vibrant. I am taking that on my Morphe M441 brush, and this is going directly into the crease to deepen it up a bit. Seriously, this palette is so beautiful. If you don't have it, you need to get your hands on it. There's 39 shades in here, and I think it's only like 35 bucks, which is absolutely insane to me. And the quality, you can't beat for that price. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more. I'm gonna attach it down into like that outer corner area. Hopping down into the big pans, we're gonna use Evolve. I'm going to take a little bit of that and just continue to deepen it up a bit. I think I'm going to do a light shimmery shade on the lid just so we can keep the look kind of light. Still grungy, but not as dark as I was thinking. Keep most of the color out on this outer corner. And leave that lid space open so that we can put that shimmery shade on. Okay, I'm going to dip back into that very first shade we went in with and just buff everything out. Very light hand. Now, the Morphe palette doesn't have a light, like a really nice light champagne-y shimmery shade. I'm going to hop over to this new Rose palette by BH Cosmetics. I am going to I'm going to try this shade, and if that's a little too light for my liking, I'm going to go in with this one. Yeah, I think this is a little too cool. I'm going to go in with that shade I picked out after and just put a little bit over top of that, pinken it up a bit. And then from there I'm just going back in with that ColourPop brush just to kind of blend out that area where the lid color meets and the crease color meets, just so it's not harsh. It's nice and blended. I'm also going to take a mixture of those two shades and pop that on my brow bone. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and then I'm going to pop on the Kiss Lashes in the style Midnight. Right, y'all. Nice and fluffy. If you are doing a look that you're not putting liner on the top, be really careful with your mascara because you do not want to ruin all the hard work you just did. So you want to make sure you tilt your head back and look down into your mirror, and this will ensure, or at least help, to not catch your lid with any mascara. While my lash is drying, I am going to go in with a mixture of Evolve and Vibrant and put that on my lower lash line and smoke it out. I totally just realized I usually do this step after concealer, but I won't. Lash is not dry yet and adjusted, so don't judge the fact that you can probably still see the glue. And I forgot to mention, but I'm going to pop some of that highlight, that light shimmery shade that we put on our lid on our inner corner as well. Now that one eye is done, I am going to do the other one off camera and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We are even on the eyes. I am using what I used in my last video, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige. Use this gross little spatula. Place it everywhere. Probably gonna totally mess up my eyebrows while I'm doing this. Probably should have taken my eyebrows off before I started filming, but I didn't. I'm going to use the same concealer under my eyes that we prepped our eyelids with. I'm just gonna do it under my eyes, not like highlight my forehead or anything. Because like I said, I'm running on short time today. Fit Me powder, same one we used to set our eyelids. And I'm going to set under my eyes. And not really my smile lines, but kind of this area because I tend to my foundation kind of tends to sit into those lines throughout the day. And I'm lastly going to set my forehead. Just a wee bit. So I went ahead and just touched up my eyebrows. And now we'll move on to the cheeks. I'm going to use Feisty from Tarte for my blush. Just taking that on my Morphe M527. And this blush is really neutral, so I'm kind of using it as a contour as well. Like, I'm not putting it as high as I would normally put a blush. It's kind of going right in the middle. I'm also going to put a little bit into my temples / hairline. For highlight, I am using Urban Decay's highlighter in the shade Thin. Popping it on my nose. And keep this belt. I love this color, I just wish it was more pigmented. For lips, I am going to line my lips with the Italia Deluxe lip liner in Natural. This is literally the only nude lip liner I own right now. If you're wondering where you can get these lip liners, they're super cheap, like $2 I think. Yeah, I got it on Morphe.com, MorpheBrushes.com. They're not the creamiest ever, but they get the job done. They have a lot of colors, so. I'm slightly filling my lips in. I would fill it in all the way, but like I said, these are very creamy and they don't go on as smooth as I would like them to. So I don't have a lipstick that I can find. I don't have the one that I want. I don't really know where it is. It's probably in the depths of my purse somewhere. So I'm just gonna use this lip gloss. It's by Cosmoholic. It's just a really beautiful, super pigmented, high shine taupe lip gloss, basically. So I'm just gonna fill my lips in with this. It actually matches the lip liner really well. Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the... And this, you guys, is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, figuring out what the hell I was gonna do while I figured it out myself. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.